it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? Give me another reaction. Move. Today, guys, we're with Energy God, yeah, man. Elephant Man with Session Never. Yes, Session Never. That one, I believe that one star Rosalie, them and Akeem, them and couple of the TikTokers. So I'm gonna jump in the one and see what going on, man. Let's go on, man. Elephant Man. Yes, Session Never. Let's get it. So as it starts, so we see Rose in a wedding dress. So we see Rose on a beach. Okay, wedding settings. All right, Rosalie. Blood clot. Let me put myself away so I'm going to say Rosalie good. Look at Rosalie. Blood clot. Wedding dress. All right, let's go.
This, my girl, then.
Hold on. I will catch it. I die my this, no. I will catch it. I die my catches.
This, my girl, then.
You're supposed to turn your back around and throw it over your head. And also the bride them do it. Throw it over your head rather than throw it front. All right, let's go.
This,
okay, let's go.
my girl, then.
For Rosalie and Akeem wedding.
Shizzle, I told these two ladies, if they intro my video, I will put them in the official cut. Think they made it? Check it out. Let's go.
Yeah, kick it. Ladies, tell a friend to tell a friend. True, me do this for the real.
Yeah, yang.
Real bad gal them again, for sure. I'ma make the ladies' mind explore. Pretty ladies, take the dance floor. Whining galore. Shizzle, leave your lingerie at the door. Session never.
Hold on, where Rosalie leave my door?
Leave your lingerie at the door.
So this a little something I can fit Rosalie. This a little something I can fit Rosalie there, sir.
The dance floor, whining galore. Shizzle, leave your lingerie at the door. Session never been fucked like this before.
Elephant, why you won't stop sampling the people them classic songs, brother? Why you won't stop?
This, my girl, then.
For Rosalie and Akeem wedding.
Hey,
I told these
Elephant
two
Man, I
ladies,
fuck reader.
if they intro my video, I will put them in the official cut. Think they made it? Check it out. Let's go.
Yeah, kick it. Ladies,
Kick it.
Tell a friend to tell a friend. True, me do this for the real bad gal them again, for sure. I'ma make the ladies' mind explore. Pretty ladies, take the dance floor. Whining galore.
Whining galore.
Leave your
Shizzle.
lingerie at the door.
All right, ready?
Session never been fucked like this before. Move her from the flowers and fling her on the floor. Ladies in the room, we are fuck all night. All night. What me say? Girl, me why you feel bend your back, touch your knee. That position that I give you, Rosalie. In the club, in the VIP.
So it must say at other position the Akeem give Rosalie in the club or in the VIP. We see when time Rosalie and Akeem did in the club and she bend over front time and he go on with himself. So that's that elephant attack.
Touch your knee. That position that I give you, Rosalie. In the club, in the VIP. She said the fuck when we give her change her life. She said me buy the ring and turn her in a wife. Yep. Me and the groom, we are fuck all night.
Elephant Man, no easy, no dog, I swear.
She never get fucked like this before. Never before by a store. Louis Vuitton, Christian Dior. You better make sure that she never get fucked like this before. Yeah, girl, your pussy are the greatest me ever get. Better than the faucet me.
That's the part of the song I wait from. When him actually go in on one verse and start giving lyrics. I will know Elephant Man for that. Also, me like the fact that Elephant a capitalized span the trending TikTokers them right now, and I make song about them and I put them in a video. So big up yourself, Elephant. Get on the verse now.
Girl, your pussy are the greatest me ever get. Wetter than the faucet, me insert me cassette. Me lift your body, then me put it in your asset. So me what you say, no other man no get your proper sex. Me look your in your eye, if you pioneer. Girl, you have the golden pussy body, make for a goddess. When you want the best sex, send me your address. When you lead up on just me hear you a confess. When me sink it down deep inside the sheet.
So me say, okay. Me see what going on while ago.
If you pioneer, girl, you have the golden pussy body, make for a goddess. When you want the best sex.
Oh, so we say figure it out and a girl artist so we know it's a diamond and figure it out have a thing going on. So girl Ella get pushed off. All right, she shouldn't sit down on the G lap. That's how diamond say right so.
You're in your eye, if you pioneer, girl, you have the golden pussy body, make for a goddess. When you want the best sex, send me your address. When you lead on me, just me hear you a confess. When me sink it down deep inside the sheet. She said that fuck ya bring back memories. None are ex, no bad like me. Could never. She said that fuck ya drive her insane. It's hard but she still bear the pain. Fuck her good, don't make she complain. What she think? She never get fucked like this before. Never. Move her from the floor and fling her on the floor. Yeah. In the room, we have a call now.
Elephant have some blood clutching. Elephant have some bumbo clutching. But if you can see that, the man have an elephant, the man have a Jesus piece, the man have a shark, and the man have a elephant. Because I said elephant. Image is everything, thirst is nothing.
Say she never get fucked like this before. Never before by your store. Rich Louis Vuitton, Christian Dior. Yeah. You better make sure that she never get fucked like this before. Real bad girl. She a scream and a moan, wheeze and a groan. Fuck it na the morning and when she reach back at home. Put her on the bag on the breed that a blow. Put her on the railing, she say feel leave that alone. Down in her belly deep cements a flow. When me done with her rock, when them say feel leave man alone.
Lyrics are chopping out.
Walk, reach and a roll. The colliator me till she draw sheet and a small. That boom boom that good girl, yes indeed. We fight but me still not set you free. Never ebony, yeah, and ivory. And she say you're dead old man, this it down. She find out where turn her life around. Right here, make she moan.
I like say him incorporate the big words, incorporate blood. I like how him incorporate the other TikTok the viral videos from the same track in this as well. Big up yourself, Elephant. Big up the editor too.
We turn our life around. Right here, make she moan and make Wooly pass out. Baby, say she never get fucked like this before. Wine for it, girl. Never before by your store. Louis Vuitton, Christian Dior. Rich.
I will laugh, Elephant, that joke.
She never get fucked like this before. Yeah. She's energy god for the real bad girl them.
Rosalia blush. But Rosalia blush.
Pedal on it like cowboys.
Yeah. Yo. Damn. Oh, damn. Elephant Man never seems to amaze me with these classic song remix. That is what he's doing. And like I said earlier on, he's putting back he's bringing in the viral TikTokers at the moment, the hot TikTokers them at the moment. In the video, even get more of a push as well. Cause when somebody here say Rosalie, them in them a go look. You see me? So big up yourself, Elephant. Big up yourself. Big up the production team. I wanna say. I don't know if I should take this song serious or not. That's why I was laughing. Because that's Elephant. You expect nothing better from Elephant when it comes to those type of remix that he does with the songs. We see him get one viral on the day. So hopefully this go viral again for him. On the scale or even bigger than the last one. Big up yourself, Energy God. Big up yourself. You see me? Let me know what you guys think about this one in the comment section, man. And I'll be done the rating, alright? I'll catch you guys in peace. Peace.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rip connect.